My mother taught me not to take distressed birds home. No matter how well-meaning I thought my touches to be to another animal, I was a giant, painting victimhood onto its back, tarring feathers with the unfamiliar, baptizing it into otherness. Don't touch the nests, eggs, babies. Do not leave them with the saucer of milk, the stench of your sweat all over them that felt like kindness but lingers like regret. They will not thank you for the shame of going home smelling of you. If you lift them gently, hands soft as hope and barely making contact, and save them, watch them flee with the boost you have given them, do not congratulate yourself. You are not always the savior in the story in which you save someone. Spurned a wingspan away from love, birds die, asphyxiated on rejection. Small mouths overfull of words too big for them to explain what happened to them. You've marked them now. Odd-smelling bird, cursed bird, make a nest of your not belongings, bird. You've saturated them with unwanting. I have learned not to take distressed boys home, no matter how well-meaning I think their touches to be. You taught me to pay attention to the impact of my hands, to question why a caress can feel like a curse, to wonder why I want to touch things that don't belong to me. And I never wanted for my fingerprints to end up on a crime scene, so I didn't save the birds, or hedgehogs, or young women whose skin hasn't grown to cover their soft parts yet. Heart, cunt, brain exposed. But no one ever taught you not to touch what's in yours without permission, did they? You snapped my sparrow bones with 2 big fingers, and I have to use the shards to make myself a sleeping place. Trying to offer people come visit me in my own cartilage cage insides that still smell like unwashed hands gone wandering, even after I licked the bones white and tried to chew out the meat that is stained with the palest reminders of you, raping me so thoughtfully, with all the love you could hold in those careful, revolting hands. Some people don't learn. And some birds never again feel at home once they've been ruined by unwelcome human affection. Some birds die alone. Some survive. They teach themselves how to fly. Thank you.